A recent report reveals that the highly anticipated animated film, Spider-Man, Across the Spider-Verse, is facing a sound problem during its production. The sequel to the critically acclaimed Spider-Man, Into the Spider-Verse is currently in development, but sources indicate that the film's audio quality has encountered issues. While specific details about the problem remain undisclosed, it raises concerns among fans who eagerly await the film's release. The news highlights the challenges that filmmakers face in creating immersive and technically flawless productions. As the studio addresses the sound issue, fans hope for a swift resolution, ensuring the film maintains its high standard of audiovisual excellence.